Topic 11. Hierarchy in Layout Design. Hi everyone, I'm Nusharna Samsuri, but you can call me Madam Shah, and I will give you a lecture on Topic 11, Hierarchy in Layout Design. At the end of this course, students should be able to identify various types of communication design, especially in graphic design area. Number 2, you can construct a basic understanding about print or screen creative design strategy, especially in graphic communication design. Lastly, you can propose appropriate print or even a screen creative design need and application, especially in the graphic design area. Content Overview, Hierarchy and Layout Design. Introduction. Subtopic 1. Importance of hierarchy and layout design. They have two elements: clear communication and visual organization. Subtopic 2. Elements of hierarchy and layout design. They have 5 elements: size, color, typography, white space, and alignment and proximity. Subtopic 3. Applying hierarchy in layout design. There are 4 elements: determine the information hierarchy, use visual cue, maintain consistency, and balance and harmony. Introduction in hierarchy in layout design. Layout design play a crucial role in visual organizing information and guiding the viewer attention. One of the fundamental principles of effective layout design is hierarchy. Hierarchy refers to the arrangement and presentation of elements in the design to establish a visual order of importance. In this lecture, we will explore the concept of hierarchy in layout design and understand how it can be applied to create visual appealing and communicative design.
Are you considering the power of sequencing in your designs? A composer appreciates how one section of music informs the next. An architect how each room opens up as you move throughout the building. A great design doesn't just consider each panel of a website or page of a magazine in isolation, but how each one follows its predecessor and sets up its successor. Repetitive sequences will appear officious, like an instruction manual, and send your readers to sleep. But too many variations will appear chaotic. So add visual interest by varying layouts whilst maintaining harmony with constraints like a master grid and consistent visual language. Contrasts like small to large, few to many, dense to sparse will help create the desired impact.
Subtopic 1. Importance of hierarchy in layout design. Clear communication. Hierarchy helps convey information in a structured and easily understandable manner, establishing a visual order guide to viewer eyes and to ensure the key elements are noticeable first.
Packaging design influences our behavior even when we have no intention of buying anything. For psychology-based design tips for eye-catching packaging design. 1. Color evokes emotion in packaging design. 2. Structure and shape influence emotions in packaging design. 3. Texture and touch impact reactions in packaging design. 4. Typography evokes emotional reactions in packaging design.
The next point of important hierarchy in layout design is visual organization. Hierarchy brings structure to a design by organizing elements into a different levels of importance. This will help viewers navigate through the design and find the information they need more effectively.
You're going to read the big text first and then the smaller text and finally the smallest text. This is just how our brain is wired. We notice the big things first, and in design we call this visual hierarchy, and it's key to controlling what your viewer is going to read first. And so if you want to create great designs and user experience, remember,